If you're looking for a video that shows you how to make money on Clickbank for free, then you're in the right place. This video is for Clickbank beginners, and I'll walk you through step by step the best way to get started and reveal to you everything you need to know to be successful on Clickbank. So make sure you stick around for the whole video, because at the end of this video, I'll be sharing some free traffic strategies that are working incredibly well for me right now, and you definitely don't want to miss those traffic strategies, so stick around for that. Now, real quick, a little bit about me. My name is Craig Becta, and I started on Clickbank way back in 2007, and over the years I've had several six-figure product launches on Clickbank, and I've been a top Clickbank seller and a top Clickbank affiliate. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the secrets you need to know to be successful on Clickbank as a beginner in 2022 and beyond. In this video, we'll cover the hottest markets that you should be in to make the most money as possible, and I'll actually walk you through an example of how to choose the right product, and we'll cover several free traffic methods that you can begin using today. And you'll also learn the best way to promote other people's products so that you can build a sustainable online business instead of just having some short-term success. And if you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Craig, and I release 2 new videos each week with different ways to make money online from home. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. And why not hit that like button too before we get started? All right, okay, so before we get into the secrets that make everything work, let's quickly talk about why Clickbank is a great affiliate network to partner with. Now, number one, it's the world's largest digital marketplace with over 4,000 digital products to promote. And they've paid out over $5 billion in commissions to affiliates all over the world over the last 22 years. Now, Clickbank is also available to over 200 countries around the world, and they have reliable payments by check or direct deposit right into your bank account. And they pay you commissions as high as 75% on some products or higher. Some of the smartest marketers in the world are selling on Clickbank, and I personally know people who have made millions using Clickbank. So we'll quickly go through how to sign up, get your link, and how to choose a profitable market, and how to pick a high converting product within that market so that you don't waste any of your time. Also, stick around until the end of this video where I share the best traffic source that you can start using today to get lots of free traffic. So if you're ready, let's dive in, smash that like button, grab a coffee, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So let's go over what we're going to cover in this video. We're going to cover the 6 steps you need to know to be successful, and we'll also cover the 3 things that you must avoid if you want to make real sustainable online money. Now, here's the 6 steps we're going to cover in this video. Step 1, we're going to create your Clickbank account. Step 2, we're going to go over the top hottest markets. Number 3, how to choose your customer avatar. Number 4, how to pick a winning product. Number 5, how to promote for free without a website. And number 6, the best way to build your online business so that it's sustainable and it continues to grow year after year. Now, here's 3 quick things that you should avoid. Spamming your links. Don't be a spammer. It doesn't work, and you'll just get blocked or banned from most social sites. If you're a spammer, you can stop watching this video right now. This isn't going to help you. And also, using words like scam and fraud in your marketing, never a good idea. And don't ignore the FTC affiliate guidelines. Make sure you read those before you start promoting anything. Now, stick around for the end for the bonus free traffic method you'll use to kick things into super overdrive. All right, let's walk through how to create an account, and we'll get right into it. Okay, so you go to clickbank.com, and then what you want to do is click on sign up. So if your page looks different than what it looks like on the screen right now, just look for the sign up link. Click on that, and you'll see right there, it's the country. You just click on that. You can choose the country, your first name, last name, your phone number, your email, your password, and that's it. You're going to have an account. So once you get in there, you can set up your payment information and everything. So if you have any questions about that, at the end of this video, I'll tell you where you can get all the answers you need. All right, so let's get started. So once you get in there, this is what the marketplace looks like. So this is the marketplace tab, and this is where you'll find products to promote. And it might look a little basic to you, but it's actually looked the same since 2007. They've never updated the look of it, but don't be fooled by the looks of this page. There's a lot of very high converting products that pay great commissions, and you could really make a lot of money on Clickbank. So just sort of ignore this page. Now, I'll show you the fastest ways. So if you scroll down on this page, you can see they have different markets. They have arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems. So the 3 hottest markets that you really want to focus on are, number 1 is health and fitness, especially in January. That's really hot in January. So all you would do is click on that box, and you can see there's different categories within the health and fitness category. And I'll get into how to find the hottest products in just a second. Then the next thing is e-business and e marketing. This has been hot forever, and it still will forever and ever. So affiliate marketing's in here, all about sort of online marketing and how to make money online. So that's a really big market to be into. And then the third one is listed under self-help. And within self-help, you have dating, you have marriage and relationships, you have things about children and things like that. So that's the three hottest markets. I would say the hottest two are health and fitness and e-business and marketing. So pick one of those two. So if you're more interested in making money and you really like that topic, then pick that. If you're more interested in health and fitness and losing weight and all that stuff, then pick that, because that's going to help you with your marketing over the long term. It's hard to promote stuff if you're really not interested in it. So those are the hottest markets. There's a couple ways to find the hottest products. One is you just come up here to the search and you click on that, automatically it'll show you the highest converting products right now. So that's the fastest way. And you can see right there, that one is a supplement. There's another supplement. There's a dental offer. There's another supplement. So obviously the health and fitness stuff is very popular on Clickbank. So that's one way. Another way is to just go to the category and you would click there, and then you could say, let's click on affiliate marketing, for example. We go up to the top and it's by rank. So these are the highest converting products by rank. Now, as an affiliate, you want to make sure that there's an affiliate page that has resources so that you can get maybe swipe emails if you have an email list, or you can get images. So that's something that you should look for. Also too, some JV pages require your email. They just want to follow up with you via email, so do that. Also, Clickbank itself has different pages that they update that tell you what are their hottest products. So for example, there's a page that has the 10 best eBiz affiliate programs in 2021, and that'll list all of the current programs that are converting. There's also another page for weight loss affiliate programs, so also have a look at this page. And then there's one for supplements, and then they have a page that's the top 10 all over Clickbank, so in every category. So you can look at that as well. But it's important to just choose one market to start with. So let's say health and fitness, we're going to choose that market. Let's focus on that market. Now once we do, and we look at a product that's converting, obviously you want to pick a product that has higher payouts. So if we go to Java Burn, that pays $115. We've got the other one, I can't even pronounce it, X Pure, that's $152. So these are supplements. So if we decided that we were going to promote these, we would look to see who they're targeting. Are they targeting men over a certain age or women over a certain age? That's important to understand who your avatar is. So for example, if we click on this one here, this one is for women. So the more specific we get to who our target customer is for this product, and we understand, okay, it's a woman 30 and over with children who maybe is a little overweight. Once we know that, then we could say, well, where are these people right now? Where do they hang out online already? We've got to kind of think where we can find these people, because we want to be able to market this product to them. And if we're not using paid ads, we have to think of free methods and how we can do that. So at this point, we've got a product to promote. We know who we're going to promote to. So let's talk about some free traffic methods that we can use. And I'll get a little bit more deeper as we go. And stick around for the bonus traffic method. That's at the end of this video. The bonus traffic method is really effective right now, and you'll definitely want to use it. But let's get into some of the common ones that you're probably already familiar with, and they're all free methods that we're going to cover. So let's talk about number one. You can have a free WordPress blog on WordPress.com. Blogs don't work like they used to, so I wouldn't totally recommend that, although that's a good strategy to use as you grow your business. That wouldn't be my first choice. Now, number one would be YouTube. Now, I know a lot of people are probably hesitant because they don't want to be on camera like I am right now, but there's different ways you can do this. There's lots of different channels that just use a voiceover and B-roll footage. Now, what B-roll footage are some of those clips that you see on this video itself. Now, these aren't video clips I've shot myself. I go to a site called Storyblocks, and then I just download some B-roll footage that fits the narration of the video. What you can do is write a little script, create a voiceover, find some B-roll, throw the video up on YouTube. There's lots of very successful sites where people never appear on camera. I'll show a couple as I'm talking here. These sites have huge followings, tons of traffic. No one ever appears in the video. It's just B-roll and narrations. That's one way to do it with YouTube, although it might take you a month or two to really kick off with YouTube, so be patient with that. It's not a get-rich-quick type of thing. Now, number two, Facebook groups. You would create your own Facebook group, and then you would be posting content in that group, and you'd be growing that over time. That's another method. Now, also Instagram. Now, you don't have to appear on camera. Again, with Instagram, you can use informational posts. You can use motivational posts. You can have lists. You can have all kinds of different info type graphics, and you never actually have to be on your Instagram page. I'll show you some examples here of successful Instagram sites. I'm not affiliated with Clickbank Clickbank or any of these sites I'm showing you. I'm just showing you examples of people who are marketing in different ways than what maybe you think is possible for you. So you don't have to show your face. You can do a voiceover. You can use infographics. There's lots of different ways. Forum marketing, that works. Forums aren't as popular as they used to be. And with a forum, you can't just go in there and spam. You can use a signature link in a forum and then make helpful posts. So these are a couple of free ways. So let's talk about how to really grow your business, and I'll save that bonus traffic source for the end of this video. To really do this properly, it makes more sense to use an affiliate bridge funnel. So how that works is, instead of sending your traffic from your link right to the offer, what you do is you send it to a lead capture page, and you would have a lead magnet that you know your avatar would be interested in, and then you give that to them in exchange for their email, and then you begin to follow up with them with an automated email sequence. There could be 7 emails, 10, 15, 20, as many as you want to put in there. And with that automation sequence, you can start to begin to build a relationship with your prospect, because usually people don't buy the first time they see an offer. So if you send people directly from your link to an offer, let's say you send 100 people, you might make 1 sale. But if you have an email follow-up and you follow up with them several times, you might make 5 to 10 different sales. So it's going to make a huge difference in your marketing if you put people on an email list. Also, too, different social sites change their algorithm all the time. Google does it. All the different social networks do that. So sometimes something that's working today may not work next month. So if you don't have an email list, a business that's really doing well for yourself might just grind to a halt. And it's happened to me, and it's happened to a lot of people. So the smartest thing is to put people on an email list. That way you always have that resource where you can send out an email about an offer to your list. And also you can promote multiple offers throughout that automated sequence. So you don't just have to promote one product. You could do maybe 3 to 5 emails about one product. Then you could do some free content post, valuable free content. Then you could do another 3 emails about a different product, all related to the same market. So your email list would be health and fitness, and then these products would all be within that niche, and you'd be talking about these things that your prospect is interested in. Hopefully that all makes sense. So that's basically the sustainable way to create an online business, is to build your email list. So we can talk more about that in future videos. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit that like button if you find this information helpful. Also, I'll put a link below in the description box where you can get my free 6-figure checklist that will give you some really good tips. So check that out too at the end of this video. It'll be in the description box. All right, so let's give you a couple more tips. So the bonus free traffic strategy, you've probably already heard of it. It's called TikTok, and you might have some preconceived ideas about TikTok. I know I didn't want to get on it at first. I was like, oh, TikTok, isn't that young people? But within a week, I had close to 6,000 followers, and I was able to put in my link to build my list. So you need 1,000 followers, and then you can put in your link to start building your lead capture page. So that's my #1 traffic source right now that I would recommend. I have actually been able to get more email subscribers faster than I've been able to get YouTube subscribers on my new channel. So it's a fast way to build your email list. And then once people are on your email list, you can also use your email to send people to YouTube or to Instagram or to your Facebook group and really build that relationship. Now also too, I mentioned a free WordPress blog earlier. It's a good idea as a long-term strategy to have your own website with your own WordPress blog on your website, because then you can also write articles and then use something like Opt-in Monster. I'll put a link to that below. I use that on my blog, and you can have different types of pop-ups popping up on your blog to really build that email list faster. So these are all helpful tips. Now, I know these are free strategies, and you're probably looking for a faster way. The only faster way really is paid traffic, but if you don't know what you're doing, you can lose a lot of money using paid traffic. So I suggest that you start with these free methods that we talked about in this video first, and start with one, because it can be overwhelming trying to learn a new platform. There's lots of videos on YouTube. I'll even post a TikTok video pretty soon. So if you want to see that video about TikTok traffic strategies, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But really start with TikTok first, and then as you learn how that works, then you could start using those strategies for Instagram Reels, and then you could have a YouTube channel, and then slowly just sort of build it out, all concentrating around that one niche that you've targeted. So if it's health and fitness, each of these channels would all be health and fitness, and then you'd be creating content in order to attract your avatar that's interested in these products. So hopefully that all makes sense. You pick a market, you pick someone in that market that you're speaking to, and then your marketing revolves around what that person is struggling with. They're struggling to lose weight, and maybe they tried different supplements and it didn't work, or maybe they tried different diets and it didn't work. So you've got to think about what their pain points are, what they're struggling with, because it's all about providing a solution. So that's where I mentioned earlier too about signing up to an affiliate program. Make sure that it's a quality product that actually helps people, because there's no faster way to end your business than by promoting products that are not very good. There's a lot of products that aren't the greatest out there, and if you just promote anything without checking into it yourself, people aren't going to listen to you anymore. Once they buy one product from you and it's total garbage, they're just going to say, ugh, they're going to unsubscribe from your email. So you want to be building a relationship. You want to be putting free, helpful content out there. You want to be sending helpful products to your followers and your subscribers so that they trust you and that they can confidently click on a link and buy a product and say, hey, thanks for sending me that. That was amazing for $7. I can't believe how good that was. Something like that. So you got to think along those lines. Now, you're probably thinking, oh, I'm just going to go spam my links. There are so many people on TikTok that all they do is create an account and just spam all the comments. I mean, it seems like a free and easy way, and maybe there's a robot out there that does it for them, but that's not the way to build a sustainable business. Really, you want to be thinking of what target market, who's in that market, what are their pain points, how can I help them to achieve their goals, and then really helping them to achieve their goals. So I think affiliate marketing has a really bad reputation because people are just really spammy about it because people are generally lazy. So what I would say is, don't be lazy. I'm pretty lazy, but I'm not that lazy. So spamming never works. I want to say that again. The stuff that I've taught you in this video is really all you need to know to really get going with. Sure, maybe you can get a little more deeper with some of the traffic tactics and maybe the psychology in your emails and things like that. But the basics are, you go to Clickbank, you get a link, you pick a hot market, you pick a hot product, then you start promoting that hot product, either through paid traffic or through free methods like we talked about, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook groups, forums, your own blog, or even a free one on WordPress.com. Those are the real free methods. Also, if there's a lot of women in a market, say, for weight loss, Pinterest would be a good place to target them. 80% of the people on Pinterest are women, so you could have some weight loss type posts on Pinterest that go to your blog that then redirects them to your email list. So that's kind of how the whole strategy works. So if you have any comments or questions, you can post them down below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and send this video to your friends. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, here's a good time. Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, if you found this video helpful, send it out to your fellow affiliates and hopefully this video helps them as well. All right, thanks for watching this video. It's Craig Beckton. If you have any comments or questions, post them down below. And as I mentioned before, I have a free 6-figure checklist in the description box below this video where you can learn more about marketing online and building your own successful online business. As well, I'll put a link to Clickbank's support page. So if you have any Clickbank related questions, you could just follow up with Clickbank. I am not affiliated with Clickbank in any way. I don't work for Clickbank. So if you have any Clickbank specific questions, then Clickbank is the best place to get your answer. So make sure that you check out that link in the description box if you have any further questions about Clickbank. All right, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.